Experiencing trouble signing into your MyRogers app? You're not alone. The primary culprits are often credential problems and Captcha challenges. First, ensure your username, email, or phone number and password are correct and up to date. Use the Forgot Password feature to reset it if needed. Next, address Captcha issues by ensuring a stable internet connection. Poor image quality or network latency can cause Captchas to fail. Try clearing the app's cache and data via your device settings. Make sure you have the latest version of the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. These steps resolve many common sign-in problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your MyRogers app sign-in issues, here are some advanced fixes to try. Access the app in incognito mode, or try a different device to bypass potential cache issues. For persistent problems, contact Rogers support directly through the app or website and escalate to live chat if the issue remains unresolved. Rogers is actively improving authentication. Expect a shift toward biometric options like fingerprint or facial recognition to minimize Captcha use. They're also implementing AI for automatic error diagnosis and adaptive Captchas that adjust based on user behavior, reducing login errors. Keep your app updated for the latest fixes.